Hi guys, good morning! Ngayon gagawa na naman tayo ng sarsyadong tilapia guys. Yung hindi naubos na prito, lagyan natin gawin natin sarsyado. Ito lang po ang kailangan natin guys. Garlic, onion, tomato, bell peppers, spring onions, and 2 eggs at yung ating pritong isda. Dagdag ako ng blossom ng squash guys para pang kulay-kulay. Join me guys! Beat muna natin ang eggs guys para tuloy-tuloy na mamaya. Native eggs to guys from our chicken. Gisa na natin guys ang bawang at sibuyas. Yan yung ating tomato and bell pepper guys. Pwede na natin idagdag ang ating fried fish. Guys, nakalapoy ito na pusin. Sabawan na natin guys. Let's add seasoning guys. And a little salt. Ilagay natin ang squash blossoms guys. That's optional. I will add eggs. Konting halo guys. It's almost done guys. Pwede na natin idagdag ang onions. Guys, here's our sarsyadong tilapia. Let's have some guys. Yummy yummy. Thank you for watching. Ito na yung ating tilapia sarsyado guys. Kain tayo guys. Oh. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Let's have some. Here's our sarsyadong tilapia. Let's have some guys. Thank you for watching.